This video tutorial will show the quick and easy process of bulk editing auctions. Multiple auctions can easily be edited within Auction Pro, saving you time and effort when managing auctions. To begin, ensure you are viewing the auction index view within the app. Click on one or more auctions to reveal the bulk edit button. Take note, if you only click on one auction, the bulk edit button will not appear. For this example, I'll click on all the auctions and then select bulk edit. We can see a tabular grid display shown on the screen. Editing auctions is similar to editing values within a spreadsheet. You can click on multiple fields and change the values to whatever you like. The Add Columns button allows you to add and easily remove columns in the grid display. For this example, I'll leave a few columns up to demonstrate how it can be used. Similar to before, we can easily edit the column values to whatever values we like. Now, what happens if we want to set all the values within a column to the same value? Click the Options button and enable Equalize column values. With this option enabled, all column values will automatically change when you change a single value in a column. For example, if I want to change the end date of my auctions to all be the same, selecting a date automatically changes the end date for all the auctions. Likewise, if I change the auction status, we can see all values have changed. To save changes, I'll click the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. And there we have it. That's how to bulk edit auctions in Auction Pro.